Titus, the son of the Roman Emperor Vespasian, who was in command of the 4-month siege of Jerusalem, ordered his entire army to prepare to storm the temple at dawn. A total of 60,000 Roman legionaries and local auxiliaries were eager to deliver the final blow to the defiant but broken city.
Of Zion's fall, of sacred walls and heaven's call. She turned away from living truth and cast aside the words of proof. The Romans came with sword and flame. They crushed her pride and scorched her name. For truth denied in darkest time, she paid the price for silent crime. They cried, Ichabod, the glory's departed. Ichabod, my trust has died. Ichabod, probation is closed. Ichabod, darkness comes falling, now the door is shut. Ichabod, Ichabod. The signs today repeat the sound as evil grows on trembling ground. The truth is mocked, the light refused, and hearts grow cold, confused, abused. The plagues will come with deadly speed to strike the proud who will not heed. For present truth the world rebels and draws its fate as judgment swells. They cried, Ichabod, the glory's departed. Ichabod, my trust has died. Ichabod, probation is closed. Ichabod, darkness comes falling, now the door is shut. Ichabod, they cried, Ichabod, the glory's departed. Ichabod, my trust has died. Ichabod, darkness comes, the door is shut. Ichabod, 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 glory's departed. Ichabod, my trust has died. Probation is closed.